Every job we start out is flawless. That's our end product because we want to wow the customer. My name is Tim Briscoe. Started with Stevens back in 2005. I'm in charge of the interior shop, which involves the cabinetry, finish, upholstery, and install divisions. You got to have good people, and Stevens, this is one of the best teams that I've ever managed. We have people that do it with passion. They love what they do. It starts out with sales, the communication between sales, design, the customer, and the production floor. As long as we know what the customer's expectations are, our goal is to beat them.